Hello and welcome to this beginner series on machine learning and AI. My name is Luis Quintanilla, and over the next few videos, I'll be showing you how you, as a .NET developer, can quickly get started building AI-powered applications. In this series, there's a few things that we're going to be going over. First, we'll kick off with an introduction to what AI and ML is. Then we're going to go into generative AI, specifically working with OpenAI models like ChatGPT. We'll do a quick introduction to what ChatGPT is. We'll then do a video on how you can improve the responses that you get from these models by engineering your prompts. We'll then also talk a little bit about how you can unlock the power of your data by using ChatGPT to chat with your own data. And I'm going to end that section talking about ChatGPT plugins, which is a way for ChatGPT to interface with external systems. In the next section, we'll talk a little bit about AI services and both how you can use pre-trained AI service models to add AI to your applications, as well as how you can customize some of these models and train custom AI service models. And then last but not least, we're going to be talking about ML.NET, which is an open source cross-platform machine learning framework for .NET. We're going to do a quick intro to ML.NET, what you can do with it, what it is. We're then going to dive into automated machine learning and how that can help you perform some of the repetitive tasks that are typically associated with building machine learning models, help that make it easy for you. And then last but not least, we're going to talk a little bit about how you can train custom machine learning models and deploy custom machine learning models using ML.NET. As a quick reminder, any of the samples that you see in this series can be found over at aka.ms/.net-ai-beginner. See you in the next video.